Hi, this is Carol at True Self Unmasked. I'm talking about the full moon in Gemini this December 15th. And I'm going to be talking about the highlight, which are about communication, truths, and revelations. With Mercury stationary direct, expect amplified insights, clarity, and perhaps an overload of information. Perfect for digital detoxing and moments of stillness. Time for energetic upgrades. Major energetic shifts are underway, marked by portals like December 12th, which we just had, and the Capricorn solstice coming up. These upgrades bring heightened psychic sensitivity and spiritual awareness, accessible to all on their unique timelines. Mutable energy influence, with many planets in mutable signs like Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Adaptability and creativity thrive. However, it may also feel destabilizing, but that will encourage us to embrace change and new solutions. Neptune's role. A key player in this full moon is Neptune. It's amplifying intuition, dreams, and spirituality, and it's conjunct the North Node. This will emphasize compassion, unconditional love, and trusting divine guidance to navigate mental fog and overwhelming situations. We have Sagittarius energy with the sun in Sagittarius near the galactic center. Visionary and future focused themes are strong. It's a time to reflect on truths, shed light on limiting beliefs, and envision a meaningful, expansive future. Compassion and unity. The world's challenges, including wars and natural disasters, are sparking a collective wave of grassroots compassion and healing. People are stepping up to support one another in transformative ways. Meditation for change, foster peace and compassion, shifting quantum energy towards positive timelines. Visionary guidance. This period asks us to release fear, embrace love, and trust in the unstoppable shift towards a higher consciousness and higher collective consciousness. Simple daily practices can amplify light and love needed for global transformation. It may not always seem like it, but humanity's journey is entering a thrilling phase of metamorphosis. And if you or someone you know is struggling with negative mind chatter, there's a link in the description for my book, You're Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'm here every day, and you are welcome to come back again. Until next time, bye. This is Carol at True Self Unmasked.